Pac-Man on the floppy disk. XFBXX, no hard drive, only floppy booting. I played some small games including Mario the other day. Now playing a very fast Pac-Man. I think it was launched for a previous version. Maybe an XFBXX. It's very fast, but it's playable. You can play hard mode. Not sure, but I might go fast anyway. It doesn't seem so quick. Pac-Man, straight from the floppy disk. Boot from the floppy disk and the game is on. Computer with sound from the speakers. Wait, time, or actually from the speaker. I finished the level, and I died.